compressors are frozen. At least it's not that bad. I could air up a little bit so I don't scrape, but I gotta remove the line on that side. I gotta rerun it, because if not, it's over. And hopefully it's not hitting too much, because the line is right there on top of the wheel, and I'm very low right now, so I hear it scraping. You guys are not gonna hear it, but oh man, I already removed this side. I moved it to the side. Oh, this is the bad part. This bumpy road, I'm scraping like crazy right now. Oh man, this is not good. Oh, shit. Oh man, what a nightmare. Static. You want an air suspension? You got air suspension. Compressor frozen, tank too low. Oh man, this is a fun drive to work. But hey, I didn't take wait. I didn't take the Nissan, because the Nissan I mean, I had stuff to do to this car, so I'm taking it to work, because I'm not working outside, of course. It's too cold for that. So yeah, guys, the problem is gonna be trying to make it into the ramp to get into the garage where I work at. I know definitely at this height I'm not gonna be able to go. I already lowered the back. I got the heater on right now on blast, so probably if you guys hear any noise, that's what you guys are hearing, to see if I can warm up my compressors before I make it to work, because I need to air up so I can make it inside. But believe me, she does look good on the floor. She does look good. And I said I was always gonna drive like this, Batic, on the floor, so I better get used to it. The only reason I don't do it is because of the way that line is ran through on top of the fender liner, and the wheel hits it. Because when we put the suspension on, it was something quick. We finished like at 4 in the morning, so we just wanted to get it done to go to sleep. And I couldn't leave the car at my boy's garage, because you know he has to park his car. So it's rubbing like crazy. I'm gonna show you guys later that line. That line is probably right now getting cooked down there. The good part is that's the braided line, so it's probably holding up better. But I bought extra line because I know I'm gonna need this for later, and I got everything I need, so hopefully I make it to work. But I'm gonna show you guys later. Once I get out the car, I'm gonna show you guys how this thing looks on the floor. I'm gonna show you. It's a Honda, baby. I wish I could get you guys rollers, but nobody to record me unless I give it to a stranger and be like, yo, record me and send me that. And that's it. But they ain't gonna do that. It's like 6 in the morning. Ain't nobody got energy for that. Update. Been like 10, 15 minutes. And still nothing. Still hot as hell. This guy probably looking to me next at me, looking at me next to me, but it's alright. This one gonna be bad turning right here, because I don't got full lock. I don't need full lock, but it's a little ramp. You guys probably don't hear anything, but it's hurting me. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me show you guys real quick how this car looks, so you guys can see. It's not that low, but it's low. This how low I'm driving around, like this. Like this, man. You guys see my line in there? You guys see the line? Because I can't. But that's how I'm driving around. Like this, man. Like this. Man, this is crazy, man. And nothing turns on. Look at this. Look at this. All right, we gotta go, because I'm late to work already. and I gotta go before that truck. Cause they be taking mad long. I don't know if in anywhere else, but here in New York, they be taking 3 years to go through one block. And they be blocking the whole street. Like, bro, like it's not that big of a deal. Like, bro, like you just park on the side and let niggas go to work. Niggas made me late like fucking 5 times already. I'm tired of that. I'm about to get a helicopter. I'm about to put my seatbelt on. Guys, I was not recording. I messed up. I wasn't recording. But I turned the car off at a red light and turned it back on, and everything is working. As you guys can see, they're running. They're running. They're running. Oh shit. Uh-oh. All right, so I made it into work. Let's see the line. Where's the line? See? You guys see it right there, right? Can't see it that much, but yeah, it was definitely hitting it. You see it right there, right there, right there. That's my line right there. So I gotta remove it and put it like, I put it on this car. Right there. You see right there? That's how I got my line on this car. But I gotta move it from there. I don't trust it. That was just temporary for yesterday. I wanna run it from through down there. Down here. Put a little elbow. Turn it that way. And then do it like that. But here I don't trust it too much. It's better than how it is on the other side though. But we made it to work. We made it to work. Let's give you guys a little air out action. Oh, it's not gonna, come on. They wanna see you air out. And just like that, we made it to work. To work.
5 hours later.
So this is how yesterday I ran this line. Because I was gonna do it the right way last night when I came. But I forgot the leftovers of line that I had at home. So I just did it like this. But I had it the same way as the other side. And it was rubby right there. It was hitting the line. So now I'm gonna extend this line. I'm gonna push it down here. And I'm gonna clamp it down here. You know, right in the bottom. Then up here. And then I'm gonna connect it to the braided line somewhere up here. Cause here, I don't know. I don't really trust it right there. I mean, I do trust it because I've already seen that it don't hit. But, you know, with the MB battles, you know, they see through. So you're probably gonna be able to see the line back there. I don't know. Not sure if it's gonna happen. I did not mount the wheels to see. But anyways, I'm gonna just move it out of there and put it down here. And that's it on both sides. So it's gonna be something like this. Before it was all the way up here. Where's the hole? Right there. But now it's gonna be down here. Gotta put another one right there. Figure out how I'm gonna connect it to this. Somewhere where it doesn't bother me. And then we should be Gucci. You see all the way from up there, straight down here. Still gotta trim this a little bit right here. And then put that one. And we should be good. So this is how I ended up leaving it. Put it right there, a little clamp. I had it up there, but I thought it was too high. And it was putting too much pressure on the ABS. So right now it's good right there. It's not putting, you know, it's barely like touching it. It's good to turn and everything. This is, you know, but I know that's not going anywhere. So I think that's good right there. It's not gonna hit this. As you know, we still got this down there, so it's not like we all the way down. It's not gonna get pinched anywhere. So we good. It's not gonna hit the axle. We Gucci. onto the other side. With the battles, what is this? So with the battles, this is how it looks from down here. The clearance. With the wheels turn this way. And let me see. And of course, more clearance this way. With the wheel straight. You can see the line, but can hardly see it. Bori, ¿qué es lo que tú haces, Bori? Eso está mal cortado y de todo.
Sí, papi, date quieto.
Pero yo creo que eso no se ve ahí arriba, ¿no?
No, arriba no se va a ver. No, fue que el que yo estaba montando era el de este lado. Y después que lo fui a picar, que le saqué el de esto, me di de cuenta que el papel estaba al revés. Y dije, voy a tratar a ver cómo se ve este puesto así.
Con una tarjeta y todo.
¿Ah?
Hasta con una tarjeta.
Adiós. ¿Tú qué crees?
Wow. She's all done. So that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you want to get air suspension, you guys already know the hassle in the winter. I know I'm not supposed to lower the car, but I still did it. You know, like air out when you park. Because if it gets too cold, whatever happened to me this morning, that's what's gonna happen. So just don't air out. Leave the car up, that way you just get in the car and you go. But I had no rush. Until I started to get late to go to work. I was like, yes, I need to go. I bought this gun too. I bought the drill. Bought this tool bag. So we Gucci. Catch you guys in the next one.